Alright, this is my Ruger SR22. I'm going to show you how to take it apart for cleaning. Well, you always want to make sure that it's unloaded. I know it was unloaded before, so. Now they recommend taking the magazine out. I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to show you with taking magazine out and without. Slide this to be forward. Pull this lever down here, takedown lever. And then off it comes. Just pull the back up. And then there's this guide rod and spring. Now I think it's easier to put this in first. And then you line this up. And then put your lever back. And there it is. Now I'm going to show you with the magazine in. You can still do it with the magazine in, but it's a little more tricky. Do the same thing, take down lever. Gonna come off the same way. Put your guide rod back on. Now the difference is it's gonna get stuck on the slide lock lever, like right there. Slide lock lever is what's hanging it up because the magazine's in. That's really the only difference. It's just a little bit easier if the magazine is out. Otherwise, you can do it both ways.